fast they spell Inferno. Yes, I'm recording, by the way. So I would say, we're driving around, I'm like, ay, Nafaro. Nafaro.
It's like finger spelling. American Sign Language. I'm like,
Inferno.
You thought it was a stranger?
And one of the other team hits it in there. He was supposed to say, "This not soccer."
Let's go, Trinity!
Stop blocking your view, right?
Nope. I think your phone is.
YouTube. I never got out of it.
Like, it's really loud.
Rob, I'll see your over-under. Mark, I'll see your over-under. I'm going to call 17 minutes total. You say 12 points, I say 17 minutes. 17 minutes. But the clock's got to stop on the timeouts. And in between.
Hey, it starts with the pass right here.
I'm going.
If that's in your room, you keep it up. I mean, your space is so good. Oh, get there. Over.
There we go.
All right, good recovery.
Cover.
Here comes death from above.
That's it.
Smart play, Leon.
That's with the lefty.
Yeah, that was close.
Switch hands.
Switch
I haven't seen that since Michael Jordan in '96.
Uh-oh.
Gosh darn it, Warren.
Hey, Bill. Just tell your kid to serve it out to rig the bat for us. Is that what you're doing?
That's it. You text her, honey, I'm going to need you to hit the net 3 times.
Clearly, we're working towards a free lunch here, so.
Yeah.
Hey, Bill, can I get you to slide your hand just like that? Perfect. You're reading your palm.
Down up to back. Down. She got saved. Today.
What?
She's behind the 10-foot line.
There's nobody even on the net. What'd she get? You called it on Ellie?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ellie's like 6 feet away from the net.
No. She was behind the 10-foot line when she said it, and Lauren can't jump.
Oh, Lauren jumped for it. I got you.
Shows my knowledge.
I just learned that one 2 weeks ago, so hey, we're in the same boat. We're 2 weeks behind.
Nice.
Oh, the old sneakeroo. Is reliable. She's good for 12 points every game.
She really wants to hit.
Can you imagine?
Every Saturday wants to hit.
Come on, Morgan.
Good serve. In.
I can't.
It was so close.
Can't see the line.
Yeah, it's right on the net line, isn't it?
Yeah.
It was out.
Let's go, Trinity.
Let's go, Trinity. Play your game.
Nice line.
Good hit.
Had a
genetics for that kid.
She reminds me of me.
He reminds me of me when I was me.
Guess we don't need to do a DNA test now, do we?
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
My bad.
Production value is not very good on this movie.
Like that old guy in the stands.
Good serve, baby.
Touch!
See if you can get there in time to touch it.
Go right through her forearms. You got a big hole there.
Did it go between?
She didn't even get there.
She didn't get there. Yeah, okay. I was gonna say, I don't think she got over the fifth time.
Good save, baby. Nice.
Nice swing, Lauren.
Good save, baby. Good save.
Come on, Riley.
I guess we're not standing.
Did it.
Dislocated my knee.
That's not just a Seven Springs thing anymore, is it?
I heard somebody say, oh my God.
Here we go. Here we go. Oh,
Great shot.
nice.
He was in for
Everybody just closes their eyes.
Yeah.
He goes,
Maybe we should all yell, hammer time.
You know, when we played golf this year, they put Lily on. Yeah. And Leilani went up and Lily went like that. She's like,
Ace. Yeah, because I think the clap is the
Really
start.
have a snap.
Yeah. We got to relearn it.
I don't know, Rob. Just try to
I'm just trying to keep
try
up.
to go along. Yeah, come on.
Cora's. Just rolls her eyes and looks at her.
that should be illegal. Yeah. Rob, what was the call?
He called over the net. If this is the net and the ball totally crossed the plane and you touch it, it's illegal, but it didn't look like that.
Nice. She argued it. She got it. Good job.
Thank you, Cora. That's a point for Coach Cora. I love what she did.
Your case?
Did they keep that score on their side though? Oh, it's 6. Sorry.
Remember when she fought for them?
Come on, Ella.
Jeez.
Remember when she fought for them last year, that one tournament and closed the place down?
Oh, yeah.
She got to give her 2 cents.
She was not gonna give up.
What'd they say? That she
Oh, now the other coach is arguing.
was all happy.
What's he saying? Do over? Oh, okay.
Good luck.
Nice. Ace.
This doesn't sound the same up here the rest of
No, we need that.
Without the bleachers.
the time, but it doesn't do much.
Bill's disappointed.
Let's see,
Good tap. Oh, too much. Too much.
Put your hand down.
This is closer than I thought it would be. Too much. Come on, ladies. Let's get these serves. Oh, that was lucky. Did you touch it?
Come on, girls. Let's go. Let's go one at a time. Let's go. Lily, get your feet there first.
Good serve. Great shot.
Okay, let's go. Get it set up. Nice.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Jam it down their fucking throats. Sorry. Find the seams, baby. They can't keep it in the court.
Yeah, we're doing. So much for that 12. Yeah, I know. It's still doable. Still doable. Good tries.
Play good volleyball, girls.
Block, block, block!
How many balls is that on the court?
Yeah.
Well, because they're not even warming up, they're just screwing around. And I'm surprised
I mean,
nobody's
what's going on over
Yeah.
there? It's like 6 balls in like 3 minutes.
Right.
I'm a little surprised she hasn't called a timeout and made him run yet.
Oh, man, that was a sleeper, man. That thing was all over the place. Really? I had a lot of movement on it. Oh!
Line.
Good, yeah.
Whoa!
Was that ours?
Yeah, that was ours. At first, I think he was confused. He saw her call it in, so he switched.
It could be 14.
That was it. It was on the line. Yeah, she hit on the line.
It looked like it was
Whoa!
going to be out, but it wasn't.
I'll get it. There it is.
Come on, Morgan.
Come on, Morgan.
Just keep it in the court.
They can't score on us when we keep it in the court.
That's the thing, yeah.
There you go,
Smart.
Morgan.
Good job. Good lord.
Ah, damn it. Gosh darn it. Sorry.
Enough!
Keep it on your side.
Why do they have a 12? There we go. Nice stop.
No!
Over.
Get him!
Oh.
Come on, ladies.
Is that her
All
name?
starts with a pass.
Celia. Nice.
I don't know if that was a good set or a bad set. I'm like,
It's a funny angle from up here. It's like Riley just stopped. I was like, what the?
That's what I get.
What the?
Oh,
Yeah.
she was lucky to get it up.
that was close. That was close, baby.
Kiss the top
Let's
of
go,
the net.
Bell. Let's go, baby.
Ellie's like, there's no way I'm serving long.
Where are their coaches?
Right?
Nice.
Yeah.
Ace.
Just throw it up here.
I think Celia's going to talk to them.
Good, Lauren.
Great hit.
That's it.
Yeah.
We've got communication now.
Yeah.
She's making sure you. She's like, Dad, get this one.
Yeah,
Make sure
well,
you get this
I
right
would
here."
hope, yeah.
Yep.
Good job, Belle. Good job, babe.
Nice.
So we keep it in the court.
Amazing things happen.
Right. There's got to be at least 6 or 7 long serves. Maybe 8.
I heard her say 5.
She said 5.
Yeah. There we go. Nice, Riley.
Yeah.
This is our girls.
She's having a day.
Right, they showed up.
I guess
She's
making
had a
her
couple
sleep
of
in the garage is working her.
I know, right? Seriously. You take her phone away and look what happens.
Let's go, Belle. You got it, baby. You got it.
You take her phone and food away, and it's amazing how inspired she is.
Nice. Long.
Good job.
That's a solid 4 points.
Good run, Al. Go, be ready.
Oh, good swing.
Hey, great job on service, C9.
Oh, you don't see that very often anymore. We had a girl that did that every single time.
I thought at 14 they couldn't do that anymore.
I don't know. Uh-oh. Yeah, I thought so too. 14 or 15, I don't know.
Must be 15.
He didn't call it, so.
Come on, Ryan.
Oh!
Man,
Well, I think I know what we're going to be practicing next week.
seriously, right?
The team just needs some more. I mean, you know,
It's like we're either into the net
Right.
or into the net.
yeah.
It has to.
Don't hesitate. right, let's start right here. One pass.
Mark is already talking about getting to that level.
Yeah.
I think the other thing too is the speed of which they're used to is really different.
Go,
So to
Ella!
slow them way down, it gives them too much time to think. And there's no 14-year-old thinking. It's a way faster game and when it doesn't play fast.
Come on, 1-3.
Let's go, Peanut!
It's an off-speed pitch, right?
Good job.
Speaking of off-speed pitches,
Let's go, girls. Let's go.
Let's go. Come on, Riley. Come on, Riley.
She give him an earful. Yeah, that's serving.
You got this, Ella. Nice save.
Good job.
Oh, right there. Right there.
Right there, Lauren.
Good job, Lauren.
Great spot, Lauren. Nice touch.
Wow, that was great vision.
Bill, she's going to cost you some money this year. I'm betting on your kid this time.
Did we take the action?
Nice.
We're going over or under?
Where are we at?
7.
Oh, I went the over on 7. I don't trust them not to serve 7 into the net this time.
I'm the over.
All right. I think it's healthy to gamble on your kids.
Absolutely. Nice. Isn't that called college tuition?
Yeah.
No. That's a good job.
We go 1-3.
Same spot, Ella. Same spot, Ella.
There you go, baby. There you go.
Yeah!
First one, 10. Yeah, exactly,
I mean, what are we supposed to do with that? You know what I mean? What are
I
we
know.
supposed to do?
Let's do 18-0 right now. at the gate.
No, it don't cost me money. Mr. Dietz owes me money.
Is there a mercy rule?
Don't screw this up.
15-0.
Right there.
Ace. You were earlier.
Not anyone else. I take the heat for all of it.
Ace.
You can see at the end of the last set, we saw Ella's turn to serve. She got real excited. She's like, all right, I'm not missing any more serve. She got in.
Ace.
Let's go, Ella! Woo!
I like how they all dance without music. It's like in their head.
It's always playing in their heads, isn't it?
I've never heard my daughter listen
Yeah.
to music
Nice.
and she just dances.
Nice job. Ace.
She's being selfish.
You get a little more enthusiasm, please.
I know, right?
I'm multitasking.
A little bass in there.
You're not even holding the camera.
There it is.
Can the rest of the team
Ace.
There we go. There we go.
I had to bring it up.
Finally get rhythm.
She's not hitting it very hard. I mean, she just.
Well, we don't need to.
I mean, I think that's what they've been doing.
Ace.
We're behind by one. You say 11?
That'd be 11-0.
Is it 11? I thought it was 12.
Yeah, I think they missed one.
I think they may
I
have.
trust Rob Bardock.
Oh, good recovery.
Way to be there.
Look at the first one.
Is she easing up on it? Yeah. Looks like she did. Ease
Rob,
up on
can you
it.
send her to the Marines for a few weeks and make her mean?
It's like I just don't want to hurt anyone.
I know.
She's so kind.
Lauren pulls out some raw steak from her back pocket.
Yeah.
All right, let's keep going.
Come on, Laura!
Don't let him score 7.
Nice hit.
Yes.
Ace. Good serve.
That was a great serve.
Block!
Oh.
All right,
Hey, jump a little higher for it.
Pump them up. Gotta pump them up.
You're killing me. You want a ladder for that
are
one.
we the only team that gambles on points? Are we the only-
Oh, hell.
That one was a good serve.
Good luck. We all got a touch.
Sorry.
He didn't like that one, huh?
Can't be the other one. Standing time. No 7s.
Let it go. Oh, let him go. Nice.
Oh, good save.
Hey, just keep it in. Here comes the pain. Short middle.
She really is. That's really good swings.
What you do? I mean,
Come on,
tell
baby.
her she
Peptides. Peptides.
Good serve.
And free team.
Good hit. Keep it going. Keep it going. There you go, Tegan. Good save. Good save. Nice.
That's what we're used to. The back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. We can play that game all day.
16 serving break.
Good serve.
There it is.
Hey, Lily. Yes.
Get there.
Nice
Good job, Tegan.
Way to see it.
Come on, Lily.
Good job, Tegan.
Come on, Lil, keep it up.
Nice.
Coach Anger? Our coach in there.
She's done.
Nice.
Always
Streakier than a middle school
Yeah.
girl.
I don't understand why, but
Yep, they got to warm up.
Lily, come on.
They got to warm up.
look like the best friend in singing.
Yeah. There it is.
Nice.
What do you got in the flag throwers for?
Alex is looking up here.
Good hit, baby. Good hit. I can't see that line.
I think he just reversed the call.
It's coming back out.
I think she called it in. He called. Oh, he's gonna stick with it. Yeah. I thought he called it.
It was out.
Was it out?
Take it up for the last time.
From where I am, it was in.
Yes, 100%.
Girl.
Good set. Good set.
Finish.
2 more points, Kiwi.
Come on, Taylor.
He's getting like he's sweating.
One serve into the net.
Itchy, I got it. Itchy
Nice serve, Taylor.
Nice. Good job, Riley.
We're splitting the pot now.
That took off. You see it?
She hit it about here.
Yeah.
I'm feeling confident. We gotta get 2 more
they got
points
six.
to win.
What's my number?
Under
You
7.
gotta get 8. You gotta get it. It's all right. You took the over.
I did.
Here's our mark.
Here comes an ace, Bill.
Yeah.
Here comes an ace.
Get this ball. Do not get this ball. No Christmas for you, Lily.
Well,
There you go. Good set.
spins her, wasn't it?
Nice.
It's not over. It's not over.
Let's go, Bell. You got it.
She got this.
Drop one over the net.
Here comes the floater.
Let's see.
Little softy.
Nice
Went
serve.
for the kill.
Nice. Good job, guys. Good job. Nice job, Jimmy. Nice job.
We did so good. We did so good. I'm so proud of all of us.
Yes!
You did great. You did great.
God, I'm tired after that one.
Who's going to crack there?
Lori loves tracking. Lori.
Way to go, Trinity!